You want to do this?
Yes, I do.
Are you ready to learn 9 new adjectives with Super Mario Brothers? Then let's start the quest. Number 1. Special.
Now, since I want this fight to last more than 5 seconds, I put power-ups around the arena.
You're welcome, Mario.
I don't need anything special to break every bone in your tiny body.
He looks adorable.
He really does.
Will you marry me?
Oh, yes.
What? We have found the princess and the mustachioed human. He has defeated Donkey Kong and won the Kong army.
So like Peach was super impressed?
It appears so, yes. They are heading toward their secret passage.
Oh, they think they can surprise me, huh? Two can play at that game.
You can't escape me!
What? Blue shell!
Peaches, with this star, we will be invincible. We can rule the world together. Forever. Will you marry me?
Marry you? Are you insane? I would never marry you.
Maybe you should reconsider.